AI and design in 2025, cutting-edge trends to watch. As we step into 2025, the fusion of AI and design is not just a futuristic concept, but a living reality, shaping the way we interact with the world around us. In this video, let's explore the unique convergence of AI with design, a synergy that's sparking excitement and curiosity across various industries. It's a must-watch for anyone eager to understand how these cutting-edge advancements are molding our aesthetic and functional experiences. Whether you're a professional in the field, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about the future of design, this video serves as your guide to the most promising and impactful trends in AI and design to watch in 2025. Explaining all the hype around AI and design. The excitement around AI and design in 2024 is driven by the significant advancements and potential applications of AI in various design fields. AI is impacting technology across industries, including product design, graphic design, and UX design tools. Its role in streamlining the design process, generating multiple options, and providing insights for improved designs is a major factor in this hype demand. AI is enhancing the design process in several ways. Automated design processes, such as AI-powered tools for typography selection and font pairing, are saving designers time and effort, allowing them to focus more on the overall product design. Generative design, powered by AI, is also revolutionizing the field by providing a plethora of creative options, enabling the rapid generation of user interfaces, websites, images, and even content ideas from simple text prompts. This allows for quicker iteration and exploration of design possibilities. Looking ahead, AI's role in product design is set to increase, assisting human creativity, delivering personalized experiences through the analysis of customer data, and facilitating rapid prototyping with advanced 3D printing technologies. This trend towards personalization is particularly notable, with AI algorithms generating product designs that meet the unique requirements of each customer, leading to increased satisfaction and brand loyalty. However, there are challenges and ethical considerations to be mindful of: bias in AI-generated designs, intellectual property challenges, data privacy concerns, the possibility of AI-generated errors, and the evolving role of human designers in an AI-dominated industry are key issues that need addressing. These challenges highlight the need for ongoing vigilance and adaptation in the use of AI in design. Overall, the hype around AI and design is well-founded, given its transformative impact on the industry. AI's ability to enhance creativity, streamline processes, and personalize products is reshaping the landscape of design, promising exciting advancements and new possibilities for the future. 10 emerging AI and design trends in 2025. The trends in AI and design for 2025 highlight a blend of technological innovation and creative exploration, reshaping how design is approached across various fields. Let's get into the must-know trends for 2025 in AI and design. 1. Immersive 3D design. The field of 3D design is set to make significant strides in 2024. Advancements in technology and software are enabling designers to create stunning 3D visuals that add depth and realism to their designs. This shift is not only enhancing the graphic design landscape, but also changing it, as designers can now create immersive and interactive experiences. These experiences are further enriched through virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, adding a new dimension to graphic design and making it more engaging and memorable for audiences. This trend is also influencing graphic design, where immersive opportunities are opening new possibilities for creating visually impactful VR and AR environments, transforming traditional 2D works into immersive 3D experiences and making designs more interactive and accessible. 2. AI in UX/UI design. AI-driven solutions are revolutionizing the approach to UX design, with AI becoming increasingly embedded in every aspect of UX design, transforming product, software, and app design, tailoring each experience to the unique needs and preferences of every user. The future of UX design is expected to be customized, dynamic, and innovative, thanks to AI's capabilities. The demand for experiences that cater to individual preferences and needs is growing, leading to content, shopping experiences, and interfaces that are tailored to each user. AI empowers designers to instantly assess user behaviors and inclinations, paving the way for interfaces that are both more personalized and intuitive. It's as if the interface has a grasp of your preferences and adjusts accordingly, representing a groundbreaking shift in design methodology. Personalization is becoming increasingly important for customer retention and brand effectiveness. AI is revolutionizing the way design is taught and learned. Design education platforms are increasingly incorporating AI to provide personalized learning experiences. Platforms such as ProApp, leveraging AI, are tailoring the learning process to suit each individual's learning speed and style. These platforms offer interactive lessons, instant feedback, and AI mentors available round the clock to address any design queries. They offer real-time feedback on design projects, leveraging AI to analyze and critique designs as a human instructor would. This is akin to having a personal design instructor available at all times, making learning design more accessible and economical. 4. AI in design collaboration among designers. AI is also transforming how designers collaborate. AI-powered design tools enable seamless collaboration among designers, regardless of their location. These tools use machine learning to understand each designer's style and suggest complementary ideas, fostering a more cohesive and creative collaborative process. Besides, many platforms provide features such as simultaneous design collaboration, automated management of different design versions, and AI-driven design recommendations. These capabilities simplify teamwork, streamline project processes, and foster creative thinking. It's comparable to carrying a virtual design studio with you, enabling collaboration and creativity regardless of location. The potential of AI to craft intricate stories, compose elaborate musical compositions, and even aid in writing bestseller novels is expected to increase significantly. Generative AI that is multimodal and capable of synchronizing different inputs, such as text, voice, and visual elements, has the potential to transform design workflows. This technology promises to provide comprehensive, multidimensional creative solutions by effectively blending various types of input. As these tools evolve, the ability to distinguish between real and AI-generated content will become an increasingly valuable skill. Typography, a critical aspect of design, is set to undergo several transformative trends in 2024. Serifs redux. There will be a renewed interest in serif typefaces, but with a contemporary twist. Designers will experiment with exaggerated serifs, blending traditional elegance with modern aesthetics, adding personality and distinctiveness to branding and editorial designs. Accessibility-driven typography. Inclusivity and accessibility in typography will remain paramount. Designers will prioritize legibility and readability, catering to a diverse audience with options for adjustable font sizes and contrast settings. Automated web design, powered by AI, is another emerging trend. AI algorithms are now sophisticated enough to construct fully functional websites based on minimal input. Users can input basic preferences, and the AI can generate a complete website design, including layout, color schemes, and user interface elements. 8. Motion design. We can expect that in 2025, motion design will be highly influenced by AI, leading to more dynamic and interactive visual experiences. AI algorithms are used to create fluid, complex animations that respond to user interactions in real time. AI and machine learning are leading the charge towards more realistic motion designs. These technologies are not only making designs visually appealing, but also embedding them with intuitive responsiveness. This trend highlights the growing importance of technology in creating sophisticated, user-centric designs. AI's ability to process and animate large data sets is also enabling designers to create more personalized and engaging motion graphics that can adapt to different user behaviors, enhancing the overall user experience in digital platforms. 9. Minimalism and simplicity. AI tools are assisting designers in creating clean, uncluttered designs that focus on essential elements. These tools help in optimizing layouts, choosing harmonious color palettes, and selecting typography that complements the minimalist ethos. The trend reflects a broader cultural shift towards ease of use and clarity in communication, with AI helping to achieve balance and elegance in design while maintaining functionality and user-friendliness. 10. Ethical design. Ethics in AI design is expected to become a crucial consideration in 2024, with AI being instrumental in its implementation. AI is being used to ensure designs are inclusive and accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. This includes the use of AI to test designs for color blindness compatibility, readability for users with dyslexia, and navigability for those with motor impairments. Furthermore, AI is aiding in the analysis of design impacts on user mental health and well-being, ensuring that designs are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also ethically responsible and contributing positively to the user's experience. This trend signifies a shift towards more socially responsible and human-centric design practices. The fusion of AI and design is not just a fleeting trend, it's a transformative movement, reshaping the design landscape in 2025. From immersive 3D design to ethical design considerations, AI is enabling new heights of creativity, efficiency, and inclusivity. The future of design is here, and it's intertwined with the intelligence and adaptability of AI, promising a world where design is more intuitive, accessible, and impactful than ever before.